Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu states, we were accompanying the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in peregrination. So the people started saying aloud, Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O people, show clemency to yourselves, as you are not calling someone deaf or absent. Rather you are calling the all-hearer and the absolutely near one who is with you. He said, I was behind him and I was pronouncing then, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is neither might nor power but with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Abdullah bin Qais, shouldn't I guide you to treasure out of the treasures of paradise? I submitted, why not? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, say, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6802.